What did I call you? Why did I call you? Hey, you are laughing. You think it's funny, right?
Of course it's funny. Why would you call me? I want you back. Don't worry, I can accept
Hey,
you.
if you touch me, Seer, touch me and see. What do you want from my family,
What
Seer?
do I want from your family?
Yes, what?
What does your family want from me? Because I'm not the one chasing your family.
You're the one chasing my family. Hey, what is going on between you and Adams? Huh?
Why do you want to know?
What do I want to know? I want to know because Adams is my brother and I won't sit and watch you kill him.
Kill him?
Yes. Don't you know you're capable of that? See, you nearly killed me.
I didn't kill you.
And God saved me, so you want to kill my brother? Hey, listen. I don't care about whatever you want to do with your life, but the thing is, don't bring this to my family, see ya. What? What in the middle of the
Me matted. What would say me one and I saw every day?
Hey,
what's it? What's in the make?
Sign your open so funny be a fan, see ya. Because if you
don't touch me.
If I shouldn't touch you.
Don't touch me.
Forget what
don't you dare.
I shouldn't dare.
Don't you dare. Honestly.
The thing is, I'm trying to be gentle here because I want you to get the information I'm passing to you, see ya. The thing is clear. Stay away from my family. So what? I won't sit and watch you kill my brother. Whoa. Who see ya? Come on. And Adams in Franco for baby. Or baby, I'm finding maybe under you.
You see, I've been laughing from when you started talking. Because you're not making sense to me.
Really?
Everything you're telling me is trash. You can't tell me what to do. It's my life.
That's what I said. See ya. Your life, you live it the way you want it.
So you
can't. But not in my family. Hey, tell me who said Adams me and I don't care. Me and Adams and Kony Adams will liar. I don't care. Now I know Adams is my brother, so he is my responsibility. I won't sit and watch you ruin his life. Stay away from Adams, see ya.
Are you talking out of jealousy or what?
Jealousy?
What right do you have to come and talk to me?
I don't have any right to talk to you, but I have every right to protect my brother, and
so
that's what I'm doing now.
Go and protect him. Don't come and talk to me about your brother.
This is how I protect my brother. I will ask you to stay away from him.
You know you're very funny.
Listen, hey, touch me and you see what I will do to you. Touch me. So with me. I'm trying to be gentle because say, you know what I can do?
Nyamese.
That's what I'm telling you. Stay away from Adams.
Fake pastor.
Sorry, free menu, mamenko.
Let today be the first and last time you're talking to me like this.
Good. I agree. See ya. Today will be the first and last time I am talking to you. Thus, when you agree to stay away from Adams.
I'm not agreeing to anything.
Then prepare for me each and every single day. See ya.
So what?
Hey, listen, do you think I'm joking with you? Huh? You think I'm joking, right?
Oh, hit me.
I'm hurting you. Stay the hell away from my family. Do you hear me?
Aroma. 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 My mama Adam Samuka to Samiji. You are saying your brother. Your brother is going to choose between you and I. The version was school has said.
Yeah, I mean, the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go.
I don't feel like going to school.
You don't feel like going to school? Why? Are you sick? Then why?
I don't like what's going on in the school.
Like how? You don't like what's going on in the school? Like how?
My brother.
My brother. See, I talk loud. My brother. What has my brother done?
What do you mean I should talk loud?
What has my brother done?
The last time I didn't tell you, right? I went to get something. I think that was after class. I went to get something, and then when I was coming, he called me. He wanted to talk to me that I should stay away from you, and then I'm going to ruin your life.
Which brother of mine? Aroma. No, I'm asking because I want to be sure. Aroma.
Aroma. That I should stay away from. Do you know, like, he had to beat me at the roadside. And then the other time to just stay at the gate.
So since when has this been going on?
For a long time now. Me, I want you to do something about it too.
For a long time, I see you've not been telling me anything. Huh?
Just thought that I could handle things on my own.
You thought you could handle things on your own, like how?
Just do something about it.
You should have told me this long time. Huh? Seer? He's asking you to stay away from me. Like, what's his main reason about
I don't know
this?
whether he's jealous or what. I don't know. I can't really tell. And then he's been calling me names like prostitute, whore, and all that.
But I asked you not to even talk to him again.
I didn't want to. I had no other option.
So even if you are walking around and he stops you, you are not supposed to even stop or listen to him. Huh? You gave him that chance.
He called me politely. I had no other option.
Don't worry, I'll take care of
Talk
that.
to him. Talk to him.
I'll not talk to him. I'll warn him.
In fact, beat him.
I can't just beat him like that. Just wait.
So you are choosing your brother over me.
I'm not choosing. If I'm choosing him over you, I wouldn't have tell you I warn him.
So you should listen to what I'm saying.
You don't worry. You are warn him. But if he goes beyond his
He
ways,
has. This is not the first time. This is not the second time. It's not the third time.
don't worry. Let me use this as a first one.
Look what he did to you.
Hey, Aroma did this to you.
I'm telling you something. You're telling me I'm going to warn him.
Aroma did this to you. Seer. You are now telling me this. You let's just go to school.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months with your meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with your meya.
Aroma, you are my junior brother, and I don't want to be fighting you or warning you all the time. Huh? I'm going to give you a very strict warning about Seer. Huh? You are laughing. I'm going. Yeah. So what at all do you need from that girl again?
What at all do I need from that
Seer
girl
again? Yeah, just tell me.
I don't need anything.
From her. So why?
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Why should you keep on harassing the girl?
Can you
Because I'm in a relationship with Seer, your ex. So why does that give you the opportunity to harass her?
Me?
Huh?
Harassing Seer?
To the extent of beating her? Huh, Aroma?
Adams, listen, the thing is, I don't find any interest in harassing Seer or even talking to her.
Then why? Just explain to me.
I am concerned about you, Adams.
You are mad. Concerned about me. I'm not concerned about myself. So why should you be concerned about me?
That's because you are so dumb to know that where you are going is not safe for you, Adams. So I think I need to get you. I need to do this, Adams. Listen, I was with Seer, and I know what that girl is capable of. I know Seer than anybody in this school. Adams, you don't know Seer. And as a junior brother, I know that this is not going to help you. Adams, it's not going to help you in any way. So I'm just trying to save you from.
Just live my life for me. It's my own life. And whether I know Seer or not, that's my own matter. Do you understand? Don't ever meet Seer and give her any warning about me again. Aroma, you are my junior brother. I came in peace today. I came in peace today. I don't like what you are doing. Why should you even beat her? Or is it because she's your ex and I'm dating her or what?
Christ of Nazareth. And the thing is, do you know what pains me? I see no shame or regret in your face. It seems you have, the courage to say this to me. You don't know that what you're doing is like a disgrace to the family as a whole, Adams.
I don't care.
You don't care?
I don't care whether it's a disgrace or not. I don't care. I'm just following my heart.
Jesus Christ.
Nobody can tell me or show me what to like or love. Adams, I love the girl and I like her.
Pray that nothing bad happen. Just pray that anything Don't let anything bad happen, Adams.
But there's something bad happened to you when you were dating her.
Do you know
you
why
are
I
just
left her?
talking out of jealousy. You need the girl back. I know.
Adams, let me tell
I
you
know
something.
you need the girl back.
Let me tell you something. If I need Seer today, I'll get her.
Aputo.
You're saying Aputo?
Do you know what the girl told me about you? How can you get her back?
Adams, listen to me. You don't know Seer. You don't know who Seer is. That's what I'm telling you. If I need Seer today, I will get her. Today. Listen, I just don't want to disgrace myself. I would have told this, I just want you to dare me. I would have shown you something.
If you like Seer today and you get her, let's bet and go for it.
That's what I'm telling you. I don't want to disgrace myself, Adams.
You don't know what
right now. I know what I want, and that's what I'm going for. I know what I want. I know who I want to be. That's why.
Go and be with that girl and leave me and Seer alone.
Listen, 50 Cent called me. I think that was last week. And do you know what he said to me? He was like, Adams, I swear I'm doing this because of that. I am protecting you because of that. Because that thing, you are just stupid and dad know it. So he just wants me to keep you covered. That's what he's saying.
So
mind my business.
Have you finished minding your own business?
I'm done, Adams. I don't have any problem in this school again. And you can tell. You know it, right?
You don't have any problem in
what
this
do I have in this school? No problem.
Your time will come.
My time will come.
Yes.
My time will come.
Yeah, I'm telling you, your time will come. I have all your secrets in my hand.
That's what he knows.
All your secrets in my
Keeping secrets.
Yes, you and that short girl, and I have all your secrets.
These short girls. Who? Akese.
Yeah. You think I don't know you are moving with her?
Oh, wait, Jimmy and I. Are you mad? Hey, this is an insult. You are mad. Hey.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come.
Mamiska fan koma kran. So person do na. So the mamiska koma kran. Scanty.
Then I'm any more war. I'm a bresser.
Man so man.
One mama boys be brilliant me no.
Everybody.
Me was Scanty be account the best send though.
Into patch say we need ska.
Now kwa stepfather way. So stepfather.
Stepfather be.
O boy now when you no say kwa stepfather no. Stepfather be brilliant so much almost stepson almost stepdaughters. Ntuju bi bo me ana me bi ma wa no akwa stepfather no no.
So father ultimate can Jimmy same be pa what dey?
Me am dem say because me dey some our catch me say no we di matem no. We
say one na wo pe nkomo fun be no.
We nya nkomo fun so wadum da bon say the
mami ska na me fa nkoma akra na mami
me dey me ska
ba ne boko Scanty obesa me ko catch mic na
me won mic ni na ma brem uguni so ni mo asi too much e si obi twom ho anu hu say
say ne one na wo pe mami ska
amada be na ntimenye ska me nsem bi obi
madam
ntimenye ska 10 ni
me say mami ska oh then
Why so my boy ni Musa? Adai.
On so me mukra. Me ana so won.
I don't know kwa na shebe ye.
O check it there.
O check it then.
On so me watch.
Jenny. Adai.
repeat the okay wa hasin.
Mr. Adai ma waso me boy ni mu dede ndens. Ono kwa na wo hwe ne ba. So fit me hwe no. Baby okay.
Sure.
Na da na wo ba won from me Jan side na me show sa.
Na say Seer, onim say am because Mike here me bra. Mike or madam front or me bra. Mike girl me so.
Thank you.
Chemu do na chemu sa no.
Scanty what no.
Come me no dey.
Dey na akoso no.
Nee, Mike.
Mike den. Ene me nyesa. Pass dem no. I don't catch na de bisi.
Yeah, nka de ncho.
Me pedo me. E dey no. Young na me dey young.
Odi
on hostel young ko girls dey.
Abro ya we say Mike ya wa downfall.
Madam. Anya na betu fo.
See ya wo fe me madam.
Metu ne fo.
Wow.
Metu ne fo.
Oga no.
Baby, that only ye.
So we know we now you na me kasa won shada ba nya prank.
Yes me yanko.
E prank. Na e prank na won sanche me Scanty mamiska.
Madam, mami nye dede.
Wow.
Mami hu so ne me boy ni gina ho bi me pesa.
Scanty dey
na me ni fa no. Yanko.
Scanty. That's what my girl my Jimmy. Me ko kawai.
Ko kande.
You catch a mic.
Yanko na no me.
Me ko catch a mic. O girl no. How? See ya.
Don't me no.
My J.
I'm share tree.
Scanty.
What's me funny shit?
Baby,
Some can't share my cow, Sammy. Why? Baby. I can't share my cranny. Baby. Hey. No cry was already.
Yo, style bay.
Relax here.
There be style bay.
As a member catch over by when summer. Where? When saying no, I'm a quacky sikawo scanty when I'm the Akoma crown. Drew on money me so in this car, so I the winning scanty. When him say ma who this scanty no.
Jim. Kasa.
When him say ma who this scanty no. We see ya. Girl see ya. Or by a madam Jamie boyfriend no atadi. I was like, how? When? The blind I want scanty. Esha say mood datey. When I'm saying me baba catch or say bra, ye baby, kotiem.
You. Until the other catch me day. Ah? See an scanty line now over catch me day.
Ah, bra.
Ah?
Bra say we so won say scanty me na wo.
It's the
See am so ye where you.
Found don't free me so call. See me day. The air catch us at you free no crown chin who free no. Abijana na scanty say na one ayi dating na nte me aka che me day.
To na wa ma scanty e see ya.
Hu dia wo ye ho me ka kire wo. Ada mu date am me form be. How long now ye no was me ka sem kire wa wuntie maka cho se twu free Aroma ho no why you say wuntie me. Bo bia sem de akofa ba wo be kire ma kire meboa. Ka cho se twu free ne ga we twu free ho. O best ku mu asem na me ka cho. Me ka cho se ye na ni Adam sin kam bom. Wa fi me afun oko hu bibia do complain wa ha meboa. Me ta bibia wo be wu a. Uti beti. Ka free akona me dia me ya me ho. Akura na sem na be kan dia fine. Akura no so am face kana ma meboa. Akura ndie me wo fa ase no. Minim so am face kana ma na ndie minim kwa me fa so am je free no. But san komo na ni mbedidi ne dia yo dog me. Hu dia wo ye ho. Fe free mani so ko ne hu dia wo ye.
On say bra.
Si wo mo.
Nti ska. Nti wo in free ti wo.
E be zi wonim. Am free an. Kan focus se free anko.
Nti asema mbeka cha wonya ho hwe.
Me si wani so. Free ne jan ko sesem no. Dia ye no krai ka cho se twon wen wan twon ho be gina ka kwa
sama. Asema mbeka cha we Aroma din be mu sen.
Me gina me bo me point.
Bra, no mo kese kra o.
Am ye wona na wate. Me be ka cheche san kwa sesem ye che me yende. Me plug ada me piece e se me ho waje ene ma hye awie. Ka che me se akofa bia ba wadwane. Mani bra be gina ka kwasa asema kire me. Sadia scanty ne ayi date. Hey. Scanty. Na scanty no na adwene na yese you. Ukutame. But unim ano person ye no ho hard guy be from me ye from full asin obia wo wiase. Who probio ye from full my Jamie. Be ye from full fucking.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any monso Jamaica.
Te say kwada wo ya mana broso. Then how?
Then how is the same?
Then how does it? Many imagine how edin komo then na be ye no. Many imagine odin ko then na be ye no.
Komo be na na mo dia then na be.
He din komo ba ya na ada na me boy gina ada na no be boy gina.
Komo ben.
Me ba na me man is kama na de akoma akra. Na to so be gina ho he na ada na me boy gina ho.
Oma obeska, oma amastemande.
Na many imagine wa anya me ba na asem na ye ka. Apart from no din na many amante.
Now when was the last time Oma miska?
When was the last time I was going to say, my mom is come out there, come on, boss. When was the last time I was?
My mom is come and that number. Me, I bear a crown, you shouldn't be a moon.
See, I want to be Biana. Mamma, me bano.
Scanner the mamma do look over.
Mamma, me bano.
Papa be an a Papa for more baby bound more home obey. Someone be like.
Ah, see, I say, who say about Damakan?
Yeah, madam to say.
Mamma, me bano.
I saw in your news.
Many be dear fine. By Mobia, Grandma mention.
I saw Papa one show.
It's my mention, member. Oh, see, I want to cancel the kitty dam catch us and Papa way one shaman, and they won't say they refer me.
Not so, let's example now, Papa show.
Now then, out there, no air refer.
I'm a person that shows, no one a bit my, not a better bit my at the better meaning on the wolf magazine.
We are wicked doing my mention,
Mimi wicked.
Huh? My mention, member.
I'm wicked and coming in a Unim Aroma may have so.
It's me a wicked child.
I skill.
See, okay. Into whom said the name you mean I am the end and fuck.
That's and fucking then the day sun up.
And the one are you wicked because me name one of our kind Mrs. Seer.
Oh,
no, I can't Mrs. Are you wicked? Seer, Mammy can't show. Saturday now, school more episode be who see it in Miss Row. Miss Row. Oh, far now will come back to say me, I'm school more.
In the sun, everybody female coming no one down.
Oh, that will see. I mean,
now, come on, me don't need dating, but so be able to
be see.
Now, Obi-Wan, I day.
Be see, Obi-Wan, you by style as spread in to see Jacob Salum in at schoolness, Jacob Salum. Schoolness, your upon schoolness. Meeting could be a schoolness grant and karaoke. Obi at what's going on and tell me.
Now, for the
see, I see that.
More the meditate time and then me.
Yeah, send out and now say it's me do take a crowd. One say, see, we in Drew was a woman meant to be him not then. We also to myself.
No shark running be man, no wonder.
Ah, what do we ban blackmailing? Me shark run one.
I know Banon Koda, name Banon Koda. Come over on me.
It's mission down a mender. No, they may mention.
Because one in that.
Say, me no better than shark. I can't cry. No, be unashamed.
And me, shouldn't be.
I'm a crime passionate.
Yeah, me pen when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah.
Let's say. Oh yeah. Hey, Adam's the shit. But where fanboy? Hey, when you first know because Adam say fanboy and my jealous near there by this time we say we a fresh nigga. Boy, me kuta one more feni bia on. Come man for guess in kwan me twa me nan for guess. And me free wa me hu anu watch you send the fanboy say no. Eh where skit we be.
Which one now for girls?
And come me a fanboy and come man for guess and come twa. Share. And we cry the name you like the way Ama
I the way do we talk here now? Me Scanty.
And this Scanty na so we me nipa no. Me ni idea. Scanty we cry the Ama. Osi entra. Otuche one side. Osi enim higher kwa na mu gine ni mana.
Ni.
Osi otuche na. No so ba bechi akra ni sika. Oba ye no. Em so beto se CI dey e wa around. Anana adewi asi tale on honi ade ya sa again no do ya ka
right ama dey sma ka cho so unu ya na
ya masim na meka
right
see ya na meka
bla my did
tadie mu bla
see ya dey me dey ko twa see ya
me ade a me mpene sa so oba ne na be ma ho na be ma no ntwa
bla
me na bla
Mike no line no. Mike see dey san kamasa dey akofa me girl ama. See dey me dey no. Asa me no dey say nuafo na me dey akofa o girl na works. Na see dey ama.
Na me chem me say the we na si so nsa me ade no. Utimu say girl ni filu na me say ne girl
ni twa no bo ama dey say jealousy so na obi a me na wo dey dey be jealous nti.
Ba oni bibi.
Na me dey me see.
Girl ni dey mu da o. But who feel say we be twa dey up high hard.
Mike sabon ne pa dey. Ana ma be bom school mo nyina see ya.
Ntwa
o ex. Dey ambesa Kabum.
But maybe the men in Cambum be too filia. Send your hardness next to
Diana so far say oh no someone can boom you can not collide that crowd. I'm like can on him akono be. See I dey man.
no nyo akono.
Dab. See some like them no say new phone ti works there.
Prime sika na me na be fan koma ama. Why?
So you see them dey community.
Fa prime sika na me na me fan koma ama. Why?
And I'm because me.
Fa uchi fa prime sika na me wo pese me yedi da na.
I no be eating come say Seer.
Sure, me me dynamical. Me dane say ya, my so wo na mo dane no. Fa prime sika na me. Hey, what person mean tap one? What person your style be?
Like me ska me send ya man.
Wow, what's that way from Fulani? You be who be same. First can crash na bra. Come.
Never been am this you mo ska some influence you. Then am this you.
Adams,
Mo ska influence you. Then.
first na me no nante no. To da ska sha kwa we ho pa. No wa di. No wa twa me di mi sika nyina wie. La sawa amadu bo so da ho no yi ska won mpabo. Eh, why na ka say
I'm too susu.
you too susu. Bese yen ko ne nkwohwe sa mpabo ani.
Oh my.
Come out in bese. Oh. Focus on go.
So that way yes sir. Be din komo.
Eh, gina. When na wasa me mafia o.
Let's not so much.
Gina. Run pabo go for. Hey, run pabo ano. Run pabo ano. You're what happened.
They say I did.
When ya Jimmy now. See what happened. No. So me too. The two make a fast. You go inside. Fast, Nibi.
Am I there? Then I
You do me Jimmy wow. Fast, you go inside. You could hear crancy cano. Hey! You probably don't know if you get my account or not listen. Hi. You probably don't know if you. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, Obia. It will be a miss of money. Yeah, right. Hey. I remember from Fulino. Adams now probably from Fulino. My gen appear from Fulino. What's it? Oh, Bushu Gane. I mean, you alright. First boy. We are making it. One midway. Pray. Now what you come and start to go? Go bro. The see. Oh bro. Adam soon me your she.
See the come down.
Mama can see me cho. So what no bro. So what the can or quarter. And you say we be dibimu. Debi. Adams, me obia me pewa sempa. Ge na woni nam na hamio. Wo pomo choere. Me pese me nche o se ge na woni nam na hamio. Ba sa o fam fully na ya huni a opeso de yem no. I no ka se me akora na. Debi. I no ka se me akora na. Me pese o cho se ka wala woni nam na hamio. Ba so wuni o so poso de mi chimi bi. Yo. What's it there? But what's it? My style bibia. What a mistake. Me say when you home. Me say when you home. No, we are also terms of what Jimmy be now. What again in Yana girl in the Subanya Mike dog and a dog and a dog. South one and also pay Chameboa. Ah, no pay Chameboa. Me jama will. No way, Alsa.
Mammy Chrim, Mike, Mammy Chrim.
What's your name out selling?
Again, I name you. Simple one is again.
Get it to say.
So, Mike,
yeah, you and again it's Aquana, and phone. Well, I will Bunko to Jeffako. Bunko to Jennifer to call. John Boy. The same Bunko to Jennifer to call. Book. Let's see when you be a Bunko to Jennifer to call.
With the magician, I'll go.
Adam saying, you mean, mammy, had you will receive Bunko to Jeff to call. Fanatical on the show.
Mike, I don't know. I have a photo. Mike, T. Mike, Mammy Children, Mike, T. Once I made the no. May you put the annoying. No, no, I get him a cockpit to know. May you get it on you. On your Mike. Should the woman is listening. Ah, debut. Oh, yeah, they all try so bad. Once again, on I have a cockpit when you get about two. Mike will give you a penny. I don't need this out of one. Huh? Mike, we get rid of those on one and then Mike, me. When I'm in Besame, I'm outside, but I don't know if I saw me don't lie me boy. You mean yet to see you. Who the away of what I said for you? Me too, wow. Me too. Right. Ah. Bon sama. Fanfule bien c'est à quoi oui. Ka obi a we fanfule a on. Kwa oui. Amen ko ge no nkyere ne bibi ketu a bi wona na me